Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Zero Bounce Single Email Validator. Zero Bounce is an extremely useful website that helps make sure any emails you're planning on sending are going to a valid address. Now, once you get signed into Zero Bounce, make sure you go to the Single Email Validator tab. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to briefly show you. Obviously, using it is extremely simple. You plug in an email and you press validate. I'm going to show you some of the different results you can get very quickly, just so you're familiar with them. So the first is what's called a do not mail. This is a valid email, meaning an email will get there or won't bounce back. However, Email Validator identifies that it's an info, or if it said something like contact or whatever, it verifies that you probably shouldn't mail it because the person you're trying to reach probably won't see it. So even though it's red, you still can use it, it's just not the best email. Next we have an invalid email, which should explain itself. If you get back an invalid, it means the email is not useful. Next we have what's known as a catch-all. These are usually email addresses that are associated with websites and not with personal domains like Gmail or Yahoo or whatever. Catch-all means that chances are the person's going to get it and chances are that it works, but unfortunately Single Email Validator is not able to validate it all the way because it's through a website and not through a private domain. However, private domains can still return valids, as you can see here. A valid is the best result you can get. You can also get a valid from a Gmail or a Yahoo or whatever, and obviously a valid is the email that you would most certainly want to use.